No.
Today I'm going to teach you about drop dogs. They can get dropped if they have an injury or if they're sick or if they're not running well. The dogs can get dropped at checkpoints along the Iditarod Trail. Veterans at each checkpoint are on duty to examine the dogs as they arrive or as they rest at a checkpoint. If a dog is dropped at a checkpoint, the veterans take care of the dog while the dog waits for a plane ride back to Anchorage. Thank you for listening. Bye, Ashlyn.